I'll show you how to convert PDF to Excel on Mac. I'll be using Mac with M2 chip. The process is applicable even for older or new version of Mac with M1 or M3 chip, and also for the Windows. So let's begin. Here I have a data in the PDF file which has a 2 column. Okay, but as we can see, I cannot edit this text in the PDF file. So go to the Excel, open a new workbook. Over here you can go to the insert, click on the insert tab, and then you can find the option from picture. So click on this one, picture from file, select this one. Then I have saved file on the desktop. The file name is 300C180. Open it. So it will start a process, data from picture. Once completed, you can click on insert data. So insert anywhere. This way we can see the data is inserted from PDF to the Excel, and now it's editable. I hope this video may have helped you to insert data from PDF into the Excel file. Do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon button to be updated with my new videos.